You want to do these exercises? Watch. Shoulder training has several benefits beyond aesthetics. It strengthens the muscles surrounding the shoulder joint. The structure of shoulder joint is a most delicate joint. Shall we start some exercises where we strengthen the shoulder joint and give more stability to the shoulder? And we'll go for a simple warm-up exercise. First, keep both the hands on the floor, or just watch, go yourself front and slightly back. Now up and slightly back. Now up and slightly back. Now with normal breathing. Now if you are comfortable, hold yourself here. What? You can straighten the leg, straighten both legs and give a simple plank. Hold yourself for 10 to 15 counts. Press the center of the palm, spread the fingers, shoulders roll back. Don't shrink the shoulder, lift the shoulder and hold. Tighten up your back, glutes. Normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your knee. Sit back. Now we will go for another one. That is, spread the fingers on the floor. Now very slowly, straighten both legs. Now move your body weight front. Walk front with your leg. Keep your hands in an inclined state. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Rest both the knees. Sit back. Looks simple, but try. Next one, we will go with our fingertips, keeping the hand in cup shape. Just watch, keep the hand in cup shape until and unless you train the fingers, you can't get that shoulder strength. Now keep the hand in cup shape. Now very slowly, straighten both the legs. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now very slowly, press the knee, sit back. You can try this with 3 fingers, even 2 fingers, but for today we will be trying with all the 5 fingers, keeping it in cup shape. We'll look at another one. Next one, after the mat exercise, then we will come near the wall. Now place both the hands on the floor. Now very slowly take both the legs towards the wall. Try to straighten the leg and hold yourself here. Stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. If you are comfortable. After doing that, you can take the leg towards the ceiling. Drop the leg. Back. Exercise. We'll go for some small variation in that. Again, keep both the hands on the floor. Now try to take both the legs to the, keep your knees soft, move your chest towards the floor and push yourself back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay here. Drop it down. Relax for a second. You can try this 2 to 3 times. Now we will go for another one where we move the hand front and back. You can try this 2 to 3 times. Now both the hands on the floor. Take both the legs towards the wall. Okay. Now walk inside. 2 steps and then walk back. Again walk front. Stay here. Now slowly come back. Try this. Looks very simple. Please do include these exercises in your regular practice and see the difference in 2 to 3 months. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you.